Introducing the Smart BLE Remote, the ultimate smart remote designed for today's modern living room. Whether you're watching your favorite shows, streaming online content, or just browsing channels, Smart BLE Remote offers you the convenience and power to control your TV like never before. Connecting to your Bluetooth-enabled TV has never been easier. With Smart BLE Remote, there's no need for complex setups or additional apps. Simply pair it with any Bluetooth-compatible TV and you're ready to go. Our smart remote comes equipped with intuitive controls that make navigation smooth and effortless. The smart remote is equipped with a full array of intuitive control options to enhance your viewing experience. Navigate effortlessly with the directional buttons and make selections with the central click button. Adjust your volume with dedicated volume controls and manage your media with play, tracked pause, previous, and next buttons. Quickly return to your main screen using the home button. Access additional options with the menu button, and go back with a single press of the back button. Everything you need for seamless control is right at your fingertips. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, ensuring comfort during long viewing sessions. Experience seamless integration with all your devices. Smart BLE Remote isn't just limited to your TV. Control your soundbar, streaming box, and other smart home devices all with one remote. The inbuilt RGB LED indicator helps in visualizing multiple runtime information such as connection status, battery life, selections, and so on. Say goodbye to the clutter of multiple remotes. With Smart BLE Remote, everything you need is in the palm of your hand. Elevate your home entertainment experience with the smart remote that does it all.